Hi and welcome back. This video will be a haul video from Forte, and I love their products. These were sent to me, so I just wanted to start by mentioning this, but they didn't ask me to do this video, and I am just so happy to do it because I really have over the past, I would say it's 3 months now, been using their products, and I think they are fantastic and the new release is amazing. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things. I don't have it all, so go to their website. I will of course leave links down below for everything, and you can check the whole release out. So I just don't want you to miss out anything because I think they have been coming out with really fun stuff. So first off, we have this. This is the kaleidoscope powders, and they come in this packaging, and they have the name on the back, and I really like that. It's called Saturn, I think, and they have a lot of these in their collection right now, and they have been building it up, and every month they have been releasing more and more of these powders, and I have been loving to use them. What is fun with these are that this look like it's a brown gold shade here, but when you put it on a black cardstock and a white cardstock, they look completely different. So you get a lot of fun possibilities with these to use on different colored cardstock. So that's the first one, and the second one, they really look similar on screen here, but they are totally different when you use them. This one is called Solar Flare, and the last one here is called Asteroid, and I believe this is a silver one, or silver colored one. They also have pattern papers, stamps, and a lot of great stencils, as you will see in this video. So first off, I wanted to talk to you about the Culture collection, and this is a new series that I will be continuing building up. And first out are these really fun sorry, I was interrupted. If you hear anything in the background, my daughter is at home, and Andreas as well, and they are trying to go to bed. William is already down, so hopefully he will not interrupt this video. But I think I was talking about the Culture collection, and this is one of, I think, 4 stamp sets that were released in this in November, that is in this collection. And I don't know if it's called sign language in English, but that is what it's called in Swedish. And you can see that this is the number 0 to 10, and I really like this one, and I think I will be using it a lot. And so much fun just to, I don't have anything that looks like this in my stash, so I was really happy when I saw this, and I think it would be a really cute both background and like signing the person's age on a card, birthday card or something like that. Super fun, and make sure that you check out the other ones because they had an alpha and a couple of other ones. So really fun. I like these like unique types of stamps, so really fun. And then I will show you, I didn't organize this very well. Let's see. I had a lot of these stencils, and I don't know if they have the name on it. I probably should have looked them up before I did this video, but you can see this fun geometric pattern, and this one is from Alex Saberia, and I really like this one. I think this would be fabulous for a background. And talking about backgrounds and geometric, look at this. I think this is super fun, and I can see myself creating a lot of backgrounds. I would personally like to have it in half, and maybe use some of their, I have this ink pad called Color Hive in the clear one, and I think it would be really fun to like press it down and then maybe gold heat emboss this. I think that would be fabulous. And here is another really fun one. This one is from Alex Saberia, and you can see the beautiful reef here. And here is a slimline stencil, and I love these patterns, also geometric, and I really like that. It looks like it could be a little bit, I don't know if you can say dainty, but a little bit fragile. So you might need to use some pixie spray On the back side, this is pixie spray, just to adhere it down to your card base so it doesn't shift when you are inking it up. And I think this looks amazing. Here is another one, and I will have it at this side just so you can see it probably a little bit better. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I really hope it does. Maybe I should have something underneath. Hang on, I will get it. So this pretty much made it pop a little bit better so you can see how fun that is. And this is a circle one. Also really fun. I don't know if this is faster or not, but there you can see it a little bit better. So much fun. And also, I don't know why I want to cut everything in half, but I think this would make a really fun background. Here's another one. I'm so sorry for this. I should have planned ahead and taken them all out of the packaging. So fun. Here's a leafy one, also really fun. I don't know why I'm doing this. This would probably be easier to do it like this. Really nice pattern. So this is fun because it comes in two parts. So you have the outer part, like this, and you have the inner detailed one. Really fun. And I will leave a link to another video that one of the design team members did that I thought was fantastic. She inked it up and then she cut it out. It was really fun to watch. So here is one of the pattern papers that were released. It was a similar one to this one, but this is a standard 6x6, but the other one was a slimline version, and I think that was really fun. And I will give you a quick look at how this looks. And also these are foilable, so they are printed with toner sheets with toner, so you can use a laminator and transfer the foil to it. So leave me a comment down below if you want to see a video with that. And you can see it's polka dots, and on the back side it's stripes. Here is some stars, and these are both outline and solid, and I like that. Polka dots on the back. Here is a chevron. I think you can see that pattern. Polka dots, but this one is the reversed one from the previous one that we saw. There is a shape. Oh, this is really hard for a camera to pick up, I believe. And more polka dots and stripes. More polka dots. Oh, the hearts are so cute. I can think this would look really nice for Valentine's. Polka dots, smaller ones, larger ones. And I believe they are repeating itself, so I think you might get... I think you get 4 of each, but you have to decide which side you want to use. So depending on that, I think you could get... I think you can get a lot of use out of these. I'll take that away for now. And here's another really fun pattern paper, and this one is from Yes Francisco. I love her. I can leave a link to her YouTube channel. She's amazing. And you can see all the designs here on the front. And when you start to look at them, you can see it's all of these watercolored panels, as well as a sentiment that you could cut apart to have as a focal point on your card. So you get all of these beautiful designs, and you can see that the sentiment coordinates really well with the color she used for the watercoloring part. And if you are like me, not that great on watercoloring or creating these loose backgrounds, I think this would be a perfect one to have in your stash, because look how easy this would be just to cut down to both to a slimline size or a standard A2 size card, and then just grab one of the sentiments and put on top, and you're done, and you have a really cute card. I think that would be amazing. Oh, this is so pretty, and I love rainbows, so this is a perfect one for me. Oh, this is probably one of my favorites because I really like the vibrant colors of this one. This is also really beautiful. And there's the backer sheet. So So that is what you get in that pack. I believe it's 12 sheets, and the previous one we looked at was 24. So here is some stamps. This one is also from Alex Siberia, and it's called, here's the name, Thankful for Everything. And this beautiful flower wreath is amazing. And you can see all of the really nice font here she used, and all the cute sentiments. Thanksgiving, thankful, you're one of a kind, thank you, wish you, birthday, happy, for you, healthy, for everything. So beautiful. And here's another one. This might be one of my favorites from this release. I say that about everything, but this flower is really, really beautiful. You Matter to Me is this stamp set called, and I love the solid stamps here to create like a little batch just to have a sentiment somewhere on your card. But what I really like about this stamp set is these two sentiments that you can put inside of a card. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. That is just beautiful to send to anybody. A friend is someone who understands your past, believe in your future, and accept you just the way you are. I think that is amazing too. And you can see these sentiments has like the outline of them, and I think that is really unique as well. I would love to have this on a strip, a vellum strip going across a card. I think that would be really amazing. And let me see if I have an A2 sized card. So this is a card that I created with some other products from Forte, and you can see how large this is. So if you wanted to use this on a standard A2 size card, you have to choose which parts you are going to use. And this is just an 5.5 by 3.5 size slimline panel. I think that would be amazing. And for another reference of this, here is just a panel. I haven't created the whole card with it yet, but this is a stencil from Forte, and you can see, I believe this is a little bit smaller than 7.5 by 3.5, but you can see how perfectly this would fit on top of this. Maybe I should combine them to create my finished card later on. And this one is also beautiful from Alex Siberia, and this one is called Gorgeous Guardian, or something like that. I think you can read it here. And you can see all the flowers, and I love that it combines both the outline and some of the like already filled in flower, or sorry, not flowers, the leaves here. And that would make a really quick card as well, because you could do the rock and roll technique. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video where I'm talking or showing that technique a little bit more. Because that will make it so easy to just get some shading and then have a focal point like this. As a reference once more, you can see how big that flower is. It would really take a centerpiece or center stage on this card. And for a slimline one, you can see that it would fit on top of 3.5 by 7.5 really beautifully. So this is the one you will probably see me really soon using. And here is an amazing stamp set. I'm so inspired by this one. What is it called? It's called New Beginnings. And you can see these like paints that mixing together, or I don't know what to call this, a marble like look, and I love this. And the sentiments are really nice as well. One day can change everything. Sorry, I'm I'm a little bit tired. I've been working all day long, and I'm a teacher, so we are in the middle of putting all the grades together. So I have been working like 12 hours. Got home, got to start dinner, keep picking my kids up, and yeah, you know, life. So anyway, what was I saying? The sentiments are really nice. Once you choose hope, anything is possible. Amazing one. And I like that all of these sentiments in these stamp sets are like cheerful and happy, and I think that is something we really need at this point. So I'm so looking forward to using all of these stamps. So for the last thing I will show you today, and I'm sorry about the sound, I will show you these already prepared sheets of sentiments, and this one is called Simple Sayings Baby. You can see this comes already printed, and you get some with the outline that is bigger and the exact same one on white paper but on black. And these are also printed with a toner, so you can use these and foil them. So much fun. And this is just one single sheet of all of these sentiments, and you have like, welcome sweet baby, oh baby, congratulations on the new baby, it's a girl, 1 + 1 = 3, wish for the baby, and a gift for baby, and so on and so on. So I really like these ones, and I love the fonts on this. You can see they are mixed between different ones, and I think that is really a nice touch. So let me know down in the comment section if you loved something more, or you want to see a project with that stamp or pattern paper or stencil or something like that, and I can sure to like do that for you. And make sure that you are stopping by Maker Forte's website, because I know that they are having a lot of fun things coming up. Is there something more I want to say? I don't know. If you wanted me to do the rock and roll technique, also leave me a comment down below for that one, because I think that would be really fun. So I think that was it. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!